My name is Asma Shaheen, Education Wali. Again, I'm here from Rehan School, Islamabad campus, and I'm doing teachers training level 2 uh, of Rehan AI teachers training. Today, the topic is about my TEDx review. Um, in our curriculum, we have different topics of TEDx, and we need to give reviews on TEDx. So today, I watch a very incredible TED talk um, about the education system. So the TED Talk speaker was the Dr. Kathleen Tuckers, and her ideas on students-led learning are very powerful, was very inspiring and extremely relevant for today's classroom. It was an amazing listening session with this TED Talk. Thank you to Rehan Allah for designing such a amazing curriculum. So let's talk about the review. Education Reimagined, Student-Led Learning by Dr. Kathleen Tucker. So in this, she shared about education reimagined student-led learning, and she informed us that student-led learning is a powerful and timely reflection on the current challenges in education. So she highlight an impact on an important reality. While students are highly fluent in technology and digital skills tools, many classrooms are still based on outdated teacher-centered model that no longer meet student needs. So one of the strongest point of this talk was how Dr. Tucker's connect the growing teacher burnout and student disengagement to rigid classroom structures. She explains that when teachers are expected to do everything, and the students are treated as a we can say passive learners. Students are treated as a passive learners. So in the results of this, both sides feel frustrated and disconnected. The insight makes the talk very relatable for educators around the world. So Dr. Tucker strongly advocates for the students led learning, where students take share responsibility for their education. She suggested transforming classroom into collaborative spaces where teacher act as a facilitator rather than a controller. Um, at this point, I just realized that in our Rehan school curriculum, when I joined Rehan curriculum, I was amazed that Sir Rehan Alawala asked us appoint facilitators, not teachers. So everyone is a facilitator, not teacher. So today, after listening this TED talk, I realized why he was saying that the leaders in the school are not teachers; they are facilitators, because if we become teachers, we become controllers. So technology, according to her, should not replace teachers, but should be used as a tool to empower students, personalize learning, and increase engagement. The personal stories shared in this talk make her message even more impactful. Uh, she showed that when students are trusted and given ownership of their learning, they become very motivated, confident, and independent. At the same time, teacher experience more balance, sustainability, and fulfillment in their professions. Um, in the end, I just want to say that overall, this TED Talk is inspiring, practical, and thought-provoking. It challenges traditional education systems and offers a hopeful vision for the future, one where learning is equitable, meaningful, and centered on students. Dr. Kathleen Tucker's ideas are especially relevant in today's digital world and serves as a strong call to rethink how we teach and learn. So this was the review and understandings by my side for this TED talk, and I really inspired the idea that Rehan Allah Wala Bhai introduces to us, and the idea was facilitating in classrooms. So today I'm happier after listening this TED talk that we are already in Rehan Digital School applying these teachers' techniques and skills for our students because we are following the same pattern. Our teachers are the node controller, our teachers are the facilitator who are facilitating students and helping for solving their problems, for researching. Our students are learning from AI tools, but the facilitators are just motivating them. So thank you so much for today review. Hope you guys will like this review. For the next time, I will come with another video or another review. Till that time, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.